Hi everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Has your iPhone ever been disabled and showing try again in 1 hour? It's frustrating, but today I'll show you 6 quick ways to unlock your iPhone, starting with my top pick, Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Quick background. Your iPhone disables itself if the wrong passcode is entered multiple times. 6 wrong attempts to 1-minute lock, 7 to 5-minute, 8 to 15-minute, 9 to 1 hour, 10 to permanent lock. After that 1 hour lock, only one more chance is allowed before data is erased. Method 1. Passixer iPhone Unlocker. The easiest and fastest way. Download and launch Passixer on PC or Mac. Click Wipe Passcode, connect your iPhone. Download firmware, click Unlock, and enter 0000 to confirm. This works for screen passcodes, Face ID, Touch ID, iCloud locks, MDM, and more. Note, this erases all data. Restore a backup if available. Methods 2 through 5, Apple official tools. Depending on what's available to you, you can use iCloud, iTunes, or Apple devices. Method 2, erase iPhone from lock screen, iOS 15.2 plus. Tap Erase iPhone, enter Apple ID and password, follow setup after restart. Method 3, iCloud Find My iPhone. Go to iCloud.com or use Find My app. Select your iPhone, then erase this device, then set up. Method 4, iTunes or Finder Restore. Enter recovery mode, side plus volume for iPhone 8 Plus, home plus power for older. Connect to iTunes or Finder, then click Restore iPhone, then restore backup if available. Method 5, Apple Devices app, Windows. Power off iPhone, enter recovery mode, open Apple Devices app, then General, then restore iPhone. Quick note, methods 2 through 5 require knowing your Apple ID or having access to a computer. Method 6, quick fixes. If your lock timer is stuck, force restart. iPhone 8 Plus, volume up, volume down, hold side button. iPhone 7, volume down plus power. iPhone 6 or earlier, home plus power. Reinstall SIM card if needed. And that's it. For the fastest and easiest solution, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is still our top choice. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching Eassiy, and I'll see you in the next video.